Hi everybody, I'm John.
And I'm Sherry.
Right here at John Howerton Honda in Beckley.
We are pleased to show you the 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, roll stability control, front suspension classification, solid live axle.
Hi everyone, I'm John Howerton with John Howerton Honda right here in Beckley. I feel so blessed with all the great folks I've met. And you know, a dealer will come along every once in a while and beat our price or payment by just a teeny little bit. But you know what? They'll never beat our people here and our willingness to help you before and after the sale. Because here at John Howerton Honda, it's all about relationships.
Hey John.
Hey Pete, I'll be with you in a second. Sorry, I gotta go. I owe him a cup of coffee. Hey, come see us.